guys, welcome to Style Talkies. This is Drishti Pathak, and since we all know this is the festive season, the end of the year, so this is the right time I thought that I could share a little bit of my favorite makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started towards doing some Kohl eyes and some nice festive makeup. Let's go. So the first thing that I'm going to use is a MAC Prep and Prime mix. Okay, so now my skin is completely ready for the makeup to start. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my base in the second half of my makeup, and I'm going to do my eyes before, because we are going to be doing really dark Kohl eyes, and I don't want that uske sare drop offs mere face pe gire and then I'll have to again scrub it off and then put my foundation again. So se acha pehle aap apne eyes kar hi lo. So to begin with, I'm going to be using a clammy concealer for my eyelid. Okay, so now that the concealer on my eyelid is also done and it's kind of settled, now I'm going to start doing my dark Kohl eyes, which is suitable for festival looks. And to begin with, I'm going to be using a very light skin color, because we're going to go slowly in this process. Okay, if we're going to directly use a black or a brown shade on our eyelid, it's going to look a little messed up. So let's just try and go a little slow with this process. So to begin with, I'm going to be using a really nice pale pink color. Alright. You can use any brand of eyeshadows that suits you, suits your budget. And start from the outer corner. And the more you follow the shape of your eyes would be way better than, trying to create another kind of angle over your eyes. Try to follow the shape of your face with your makeup. So that, every feature that you have, it only enhances and it doesn't look fake. So now I'm done using this shade. Now I'm going to go a little deeper. I'm going to be using I'm going to kind of pull the black bit a little on my lower lid as well, so that later on I don't have to really play a lot with Kohl. Okay, so I'm going to use a color that looks like both a blend of golden and bronze, and start from the inner corner. And then pull it to the lower corner. I'm going to use a basic VOV eyeliner, which is really cute and metallic purple. So we're going to be using this. Alright, so I've put my eyeliner on now, and now I'm going to be going ahead and doing my base. I actually ended up writing a T here, so funny girl. Okay, like I said, not too much, not too less, just in between. Our next step is going to be contouring and baking. Jawline. So now that the contouring is done, like I said, we've got to do baking also. So I'm going to be using translucent face powder from Inside, and this is a lovely product. Okay, so moving forward, we're going to do the lip job. not literally, but do some job on the lip. I'm gonna be using a K Beauty lip liner, and I'm not gonna tell you how much I love it. I'm gonna show it to you. Embarrassing moment. This is how much I've used it in 1 month. So you can imagine. Okay. Followed by this, I'm going to be using a Color Bar Glitter Me All collection. The shade is Tinkle 003. It's nude in color. And since I have dark eyes, I'm going to be using a nude lipstick because I don't want to look like a clown. Now to complete this lip and to give it a little little poutier look, I'm going to be using again Leading Lady lip topper from K Beauty again. So now that we're done with the lip, I'm going to do a final little bit touch up of a highlighter on my nose, just this bit, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. So for eyebrows, you can always go ahead and use an eyeshadow palette that suits the color of your eyebrows. You can always use a eyebrow palette, an eyebrow pencil, an eyebrow mascara. There are a lot of products in the market now. So go ahead and suit yourself, man. Okay. Next up, we call our eyes. Sorry. Next up, we call our eyelashes, and I'm going to be using an eyelash curler for that, of course, because not that it does anything very drastic, but what it does is it makes it easier for the mascara to kind of, for the product to kind of make your lashes heavier, if you get my point. To roll it all, we're going to be using a VOV mascara. I do not really like a lot of blush, but still I'm going to be using a little bit of it so that my skin does not look, my face doesn't look flat. It has to have some, texture. And last but not the least, we're going to be fixing our makeup, and again we're going to be using Insight Makeup Fixer Spray. This is really budget friendly and it also does its job. So guys, this is the end result of the makeup that I showed you, and I hope you liked it. It actually took a little while to show you guys because I was explaining things and talking as well, but otherwise this would only take me about 10 minutes and I'm good to go. So this is the kind of makeup that I like to do when I go out on parties or when I wear something Indian. So yehi look pe if you wear jhumkas and you have a bindi on, if you have a little extra highlighter, you're ready for an Indian wear. And if you do the same makeup and keep it without any bling bling and without all those jhumkas, you can always wear it with a western wear. So this makeup look goes on anything that you want to wear. So that's it. Meanwhile, stay tuned to Style Talkies because we are going to be coming up with more videos on hair, fashion, makeup and whatnot. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe.